Step 1. Like any video intended for YouTube, and especially those with degrees of 360 or more, it is important to choose the proper setting. The environment in which a shared moment takes place is almost more important than what you intend to share. So let's get started. Less lights. Perfect. Step 2. Examine the item to be unboxed. Today, it's a 2015 MacBook Pro. Yesterday, it was some eggs I bought at the local grocery store. Tomorrow, it'll be your future. On display, taken right out of its little packaging and given to me to share with all the world. But let's get back to the task at hand. Step 3. Black hoods. Obviously. Oh, and candles too. Take a brief moment to reflect on how lighters work and the fact that you're somehow having difficulty with them. Step 4. Stab. There we go. Remove the delicate cellophane skin. I think there's a Sia song about this. Step 5. Pause briefly to let the scent of plastic and cardboard waft into your nostrils. This is important. Always remember that. Step 6. With much care, lift the lid from the box. Consider the suction and the difference in air pressure between the inner cradle of the packaging and the outer world. Consider the pressure of leaving your mother's womb. Consider the lilies, how they grow. This is a metaphor. Now, lift the child from its cradle. Hold it aloft. Let the world be introduced to its new master. Step 7. Accessories. Save them for later. Focus on the ritual. Repeat it for each accessory. Step 8. Remove the barrier. This is a slow and delicate process. Be sure to take your time. Step 9. This is a tricky one. The thin film is a reminder that all things are temporary. Remove it quickly before you start to reflect on the events of last Tuesday night. Acquaint yourself with the keys. Let yourself feel their weight buckle beneath your gentle, and always gentle, presses. Become slightly worried when it doesn't power on immediately. Attach the life-providing cables. This ensures the safe interaction between the alternating and direct currents. This is what safety sounds like. Wait patiently for the moment to arrive. Step 10. Follow along the on-screen ritual guidelines. Join us next time for the data transfer ritual. Thank you for watching.